Hi, it's Marcus de Maria here, and the other day we went outside into the local community and we asked them certain questions about the stock market. Watch how their opinion of the stock market changes like that when I tell them the truth about the stock market. Watch this. Hello, how are you?
Nice to meet
Hello,
you.
hi, nice to meet you.
How
are you?
doing?
Yeah,
Thank
really
you.
good, really good. We're just doing this, and then I saw Tony, and then it was just like, yeah, brilliant.
So do you know the story about me taking a guy to Heathrow Terminal 2?
course I remember.
He says,
How can I
get
forget?
this book, have a read of it.
Yeah.
This is Marcus de Maria, he's
Yeah.
the one with his wife.
Yes,
and
yeah.
two little ones.
That's right.
Yeah.
And our business, I didn't know you were this local. See that?
We live in Chinley.
That's Kinetic Business Centre.
Yeah.
Oh, the
that's where we
purple-
run
There we
everything.
are.
That's where we run everything.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
Very close.
You should definitely come along to our one day.
We've referred loads of people to you.
Have you?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Oh, God.
Thank you very much.
Marcus de
Yes.
Maria, oh, this guy's amazing.
Can't stop
brilliant.
recommending you.
That's brilliant.
it was,
Yeah.
You should come along to our one day.
Yeah, we will do actually.
Stock market.
Terrible, not good.
Okay, can I ask why?
It's just speculation.
Okay.
It's just full of speculations.
Did you know that we've been in the longest bull market since 2008, and it's just been going up for
The
last 10
longest?
years? Bull market. And it's just
Whoa.
been going up for 10 years.
I didn't know that. I got some stocks that I bought like 15 years ago.
Okay.
I never really
What was your strategy?
follow it. I just buy shares, leave it there.
So no strategy.
Yes, no strategy.
Decent place to invest right now because against every time a currency does poorly, stock market kind of starts performing better. It's a vice versa relationship.
I don't think it's necessary for my benefit, the stock market.
But have you ever looked into it?
No.
So how do you know?
That's a very good point. That's
Okay.
a very sort of what's being fed to us by the media, I guess, is the impression that we have of.
What if I
The stock
told
market.
you that since 2008, the financial crisis, we've been in the longest bull market since the history of the stock market?
The longest what, sorry?
Bull market means going up, bear market means going down. So we've
Oh,
been in the
okay.
longest upward trend in the history. So we've been going up for the last 10 years.
I
Would
never knew that.
surprise
No,
you?
I thought we'd come the opposite. Wow. Yeah, that's a big surprise, yeah.
Okay.
I have been invested in the stock market in the past. I'm not done doing at the moment. I think if you know what you're doing, it's great. I'm not scared of it at all, and I would like to go into it again.
I see that more of a sort of speculation marketplace, the buying and instead of more of a buy low, sell high type thing. But I'm sure there's other strategies, but I'm not aware of them.
Okay.
So for me, it would be too risky.
Yes.
However, if I can get myself trained up, then I'm more than likely to dive into it.
Brilliant. Okay.
Yeah.
Did you know you can make money going down in the stock market?
I've heard about it, but how it happens, I have no idea.
So, what did you think about that? I found it so interesting how when you actually give people information, they suddenly go, "Oh, I didn't think about that," or "Oh, I didn't know that," or what about you? Like, what are your thoughts about the stock market? Did you learn something there? Leave your comments below and let's start talking to each other.